So Kaylin and I are doing a thing. We're gonna make gigantic beer pong cups to play gigantic beer pong. Are you excited, Kaylin?
I'm super excited. We're gonna use volleyballs.
We're gonna use
ping pong balls.
Yes. Here, let me flip the screen. We're matching too. We're matching outfits.
We both have Tevas on.
Oh, yeah. So we have 20 buckets here. And we're pretty excited. We're trying to tape this so it looks like it has a rim. Oh fuck! Okay, ready? Ready? Damn, this is harder than this. Oh, you got it! Oh fuck! Ayla, tutuna? Tutuna, toma! 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 Oh fuck!
Oh fuck!
Oh fuck! Oh!
You know how to walk, you can be out here, but you don't.
She doesn't know how. Okay, she doesn't know how. I'm guessing it's break time. Do-a-do-a-do-a-dee-dee. Who stole the cookie from the cookie jar? I stole the cookie from the cookie jar. Who stole the cookie from the cookie jar? I stole the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you know me. Couldn't be. Welcome. Buckets.
Aren't they so cool? Hey, no shooting in the buckets, please. We worked super hard on these ones. Here's the other set of meeting.
So we're really hoping that these come out really good, because hopefully, what the, can we get the fuck out of there? So I'm gonna paint the first bucket. Hopefully I don't fuck this up.
Just a pretty girl. I'm more than just a picture. I'm a daughter and a sister. Sometimes it's hard for me to show that I'm more than just a rumor or a song on your computer. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch. Some days I'm strong, some days I quit. I don't let it show, but I've been through some shit. Fuck your head and then your person, 'cause I'm not just a
Whoa! You got it! dancing break.
When she goes on my whistle, it goes. When she goes on my it goes.
Wait, we need to hurry and fucking choose.
Okay, okay.
Okay, what's in the
Run
beside
to the
the
middle of
liquid?
the street and say, I can't feel my What? Why?
She's wild.
I can't breathe.
Ooh, we eating good today. When you like condiments.
Don't touch me, I'm famous.
What did you say?
And you said, don't touch me, I'm famous.
Oh. What are the rules?
Okay, so each one has a thing you have to do. Now, if you make it in there, it's not fair for you to have to drink when you're the one who's winning.
That's
so
true.
if it lands in there and you have to remove it, the person that's on that side.
Yeah, it takes out the paper.
Takes out the paper.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
I thought too.
Yeah, well, I'm reiterating it just so we're all on the same page.
Don't say that to me.
Or
No, yeah.
on the same side of the ball.
Wait, you guys do that dance. Okay. Wait, when the club says
When the club says free entry before 11, no, wait, no. When the club says free entry, what they say, before 11:59?
when your friends say they want to go out, but then your boyfriend want to come. when you're gonna get
When you're bored and you hear my mom come home, she starts yelling out of nowhere.
when you're gonna get in the carpool lane, but then you forget you're by yourself. When you're gonna go to the
When they gotta, they wanna got.
what?
When they do this, I see your fucking bikini bottoms.
she's like when they wanna. Dude, she's like when they wanna.
When they gonna wanna.
When they wanna gonna.
When you wanna Fanta.
When you wanna Fanta.
How dare you catch me at this vulnerable time?
Wait, I'm not done.
Oh, okay.
Well, I can now copyright.
I'm running through your nigga house like a tomb raider.